Hello there, I'm going to show you how to whitelist email addresses in Gmail. It's very simple, you'll see. So let's assume that I want to whitelist this person. Okay, so I will go in any of their emails. I will copy their email address. Then I will go here where it says settings, and I'll click on settings. Where it says filter and blocked addresses, you click on that. You go at the bottom where it says new filter, click on it, you enter their email address, you create the filter. Now, you make sure that it always says never send it to spam and always mark it as important. Once this is done, you click on create filter and the email address of this person is now whitelisted. So this means that every time I'm going to receive an email from this person, it's always gonna land in my primary and it will be marked as important. So if you want to receive emails from somebody that is very important, you need to whitelist them as I just showed you if you're using Gmail. Thanks for watching.
Okay, if you're using Gmail, you will automatically open up to your primary folder when you open the app. So you want to go ahead and click the navigation on the upper left and choose your promotions tab. That's probably where our email landed. From there, you can click and hold the email, and then in the upper right-hand corner, click those three dots, click Move To, and then move the email to the primary tab. And that's all.
Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to whitelist your email address in Hotmail or Outlook. So you sign in. Okay. Once you sign in, then you have to go to the top menu there and click on the little settings gear button, view, look, and then click on junk mail. Okay. And then click the add, because you add, this is where you type in the email address you're whitelisting. Okay. Okay. You can add a few if you want. You can filter them. You can save them. Make sure to save them. And now you are done.
Okay, a quick tutorial on how to whitelist email addresses on Yahoo. So basically, Yahoo is a bit different than the others. All you have to do is go to contact, and then add a contact. So all you have to do here is email, add whatever you like. So it's whatever email at example.com, and then you click save, and the contact will be added to your whitelist. Every time it will go in your inbox instead of spam folder. And that's it for the video tutorial. Thank you for watching.
Okay, if you're using the Yahoo Mail app, we're going to have to trick it a little bit to make sure that our emails come straight to your inbox each and every time. So if our email came to your inbox the first time, that's awesome, but we're going to mark it as spam so that we can unmark it as spam permanently. So to do that, find the email in your inbox, and then you're going to touch and hold it. And then at the bottom, you'll see those three little dots. Go ahead and click those, and then you'll see a spam button. You can click that. And then you're going to go up to the navigation menu at the top and go into your spam folder. Go ahead and find our email and rescue it. So touch and hold it again. Go to those three little dots at the bottom and then mark us not as spam. And then that way, future emails from us will continue to go right to your inbox where they belong and where we can stay in touch and keep bringing you great resources.